Hello, today I'm going to cook steamed egg with prawns. I have 4 pieces of large prawns and 2 egg. And what I'm going to do is I am going to marinate the prawns with salt. I'm going to steam the prawns with shell. I will not remove the shell from the prawns. Okay, I will use about 1 teaspoon of salt to marinate the prawns. Boiling water here. Put the prawns in. While waiting for the prawns to cook, I'm going to prepare the egg. I have 2 chicken eggs here. I will measure the egg. So this is the 1/3 of the cup of the measurement. So 1 egg is about 1/3 of the cup. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of white pepper. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. And half teaspoon of cooking rice wine. Okay, after about 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, so the prawns, they cook pretty fast. I'm going to remove them from the steaming pot. Okay, the reason why I have to remove the prawns, I have to pre-cook the prawns first, it's because when we cook the prawn, they have some water come out. What I'm going to do is, the prawns have already pre-cooked, so I'm going to put them here. I'm going to arrange this like that. I have the prawns already here. Let's continue to do our egg. So I'm going to lightly beat the egg. We don't want to beat the egg so hard, so you don't want too much bubble. Now I have the 2/3 of the egg. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a double portion of the water. So it's going to be 4 of this cup, 4 of this measurement. I think I missed it, so it's 4 now. So I just beat it lightly like that. Okay, that's all about the egg. I'm going to put this prawn back into the pan and let it steam. Putting the prawn tray, steaming tray into the pot. Cover for a little bit, let it heat up the steaming pan. Okay, I think the pan is about hot. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to reduce the heat and pour the egg in with the strainer. Throw in some ginger slices. And some spring onions. We're gonna cover this with the plate and let it steam. With the low heat, I'm going to steam for about 10 minutes. Until the egg is cooked. Okay, after 10 minutes, I have to switch off the heat. So we are going to uncover this thing. so nice. Sprinkle some more ginger. Since the ginger is still raw, I'm going to continue to steam for another maybe 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. Okay. Wow. Sprinkle some more spring onions. And I'm going to take it off from the pan. Wow. Looks so awesome. The egg is so smooth. Look at that.